Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Questrade to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to get this option, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com. When you log in into your TradingView account, by default, you will see this type of home page in front of you. So here, you can either hover over to the products and click on the option of super charts. It is going to open the chart in front of you. If you want to launch any of the specific charts, you can click on the option of the search icon here on the top. After that, from the list, you can either type the symbol of the chart which you want to launch, or you can also take a look at this particular list. Then you can click on the option of the launch chart right next to that particular chart which you want to launch specifically. The chart here doesn't matter. What matters the most is that you come here on this chart analysis page. So when you are here on this page, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show us the list of all of the brokers that can be easily connected with TradingView. Now in this particular list, you just have to look for Questrade icon. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. This will make the work very easy. So when you type Questrade over here, you are able to find its icon. So this is exactly what we want. I want you to click on it once and click on the option of connect. So it is going to open a new tab automatically. Then it is going to redirect you here on the Questrade login page. So you need to provide your user ID and your password associated with your Questrade account. Afterwards, click on the option of login. If it asks you for the authentication or the authorization, you just have to approve that. And this way you will be able to connect your Questrade account with your TradingView account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.